Hey everybody, it's Landon from Green Tool Garage. I'm sure you've all heard about the newly released 30-year anniversary blacked out drill. Got my hands on a couple of them just a few minutes ago, and just going to do a quick unboxing and see what it's all about. And if you haven't seen it, you haven't seen them at your local Home Depots just yet, well, here you go. And let's get to it. So the drill's not the only thing that's been released in the 30-year anniversary edition. There's also a vacuum that was just released. I haven't gotten my hands on it yet, but our friend Jason Holtzclaw, one of our GTG members, did, and he just shared a video with me. And let's take a look at it right here. Hey, huge thanks to Jason for sharing that video of the new 30-year limited edition vacuum. Can't wait to get my hands on it, that's for sure. Now, for those of you that are hunting around all over your city and your town for the drill or even that vacuum, here are a couple tips for you. One, you want to get your hands on a UPC code. We will provide that to you. We'll put it in the comments of this post. Also, grab yourself a photo of this. So if you don't have a photo and you didn't find one, you can't find one from one of our Facebook groups, take a quick screenshot of this drill from this video. Make sure you have that on hand. That way, when you do find a Home Depot employee that's willing to help you, you can show them a picture and they get a visual on it. Now, the next thing is the UPC code, why that's very important. So if you type it into the Home Depot app or on their website, it will not come up. It will come up as not found or unavailable or something. But if you type that UPC code into the POS device, you know, those little handheld, looks like a little iPhone devices the employees have. Well, that's a POS device. You put the UPC code in there or at the actual register, and it does come up. And that's how we actually found that there were a bunch all over the area, California. So it looks like the rumors are true. There were 4 units shipped out to each and almost every store, except for 2 stores and in the San Francisco Bay Area. So if you're in my area, hurry up. There's still plenty enough time to get your hands on one. And also try to find that Home Depot employee that's willing to help you. So they're not going to be placed on the floor. If they are, you're really lucky. But 98% chance that it's going to be stuck up in the rafters and it's probably not even noticed. So the cardboard box was completely brown. There's no identification that was from TTI or from Ryobi. All I had was a UPC code, the one that we'll provide to you. I found it in the home center where the screen doors and the thick wooden front doors to your home are located, and also the window blinds in that section. So take a look in the rafters all over the store, and I'm sure you'll actually find it. So anyhow, thanks again, Jason, for sharing your video clip. And do you think there'll be more blacked out 30-year anniversary limited edition tools being released by Ryobi this year? If so, Let me know what you think we'll see next. I'm Landon from Green Tool Garage. Thanks for watching. Hey, I forgot to mention, if you're watching this on our Green Tool Garage Facebook group, check us out on YouTube. We're there also. Look for Green Tool Guys, or just type in Green Tool Garage in the search bar and you'll find our channel. Or if you're watching us from our YouTube channel, well, check us out on Facebook. And we got a lot of members that exchange information and share tips, tricks, or just show off cool photos of other tools being used. Look up Green Tool Garage on Facebook. See you there.